Hello YouTube, it's TechnoGuy131, and my next tech video is going to be a noise comparison test between the Nintendo Wii, the Nintendo Gamecube, Playstation 3, and the original Xbox. So before I start, be sure to comment on which one you think is the loudest, or which one you think is the quietest. And if you feel like it, you can give your own specific order, like, let's just say, I don't know, PlayStation, Wii, GameCube, Xbox. It's probably not how it's going to go, but we'll find out shortly. So here is the Nintendo Wii. The fan is actually just right inside there. So that is the Wii. Here's the GameCube. Here's the PlayStation. And actually, I think the PlayStation is actually so loud, I think we might have to turn the Xbox off. I mean, so quiet, we might have to turn the Xbox off. So here's the PlayStation. Alright, so that's the PlayStation. And last, but certainly not least, we have the original Xbox. So let's go. And that is the original Xbox. Be sure to rate, comment, and subscribe. Once again, like I said before, comment on which one you think, is the loudest or quietest. Give your specific order if you feel like it. I'm TechnoGuy131, signing out. Peace.